Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are making these cute little butterfly cookies. Let's see how to make this Jeera and Ajwain cookies. Before we jump into the recipe, a small reminder. If you have not subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing by clicking the red subscribe button and click the bell icon for all new updates. Now to make the cookies, take a large bowl and add some room temperature butter. And here I'm adding some jaggery powder. Now instead of jaggery, you can add some powdered sugar, or you can totally skip both jaggery and sugar. Just the flavor of cumin in these cookies tastes really great. Now beat the butter till it becomes slightly fluffy. Now add the dry ingredients, and here I'm adding whole wheat flour. Add some baking powder, baking soda and some salt, and sift this into the butter. Now mix both the dry and butter mixture. Into that add in some cumin seeds and some carom seeds. Mix it. Mix this mixture really well with your hands. Now add some milk, say around 3 tablespoons, and mix it. After mixing, if it comes together like this, our cookie dough is ready. You can make small balls and make a cookie shape and bake it. But here I am using a butterfly mold, so just take small portions and press it in this mold, and then press it down to a baking tray, and you'll get these cute little butterfly shapes. I'm baking these cookies for my kids since they won't like the carom seeds and cumin seeds, but they will love the butterfly forms. Now bake these cookies in a 180-degree preheated oven for 15 to 18 minutes, or until you can see a slight brown shade at the sides. Now our cookies are ready. Allow them to cool down completely, and then you can enjoy the cumin and ajwain cookies. So definitely try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe and watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.